NVE has a built-in weather filter called the 2020 weather filter, but does it actually change how the game looks? I recorded the same locations, same time, same weather, filter on versus filter off. You decide. Before we get into it, a couple things. Dynamic weather is disabled for this demo, so the conditions stay consistent across every shot. Time is also frozen, so the lightning does not shift between the two sides. If you want the exact chords, weather preset, and time for any location you see, they are all in the description. After that, no commentary, just footage. So that is what the 2020 weather filter actually does to your game. No editing, no color grading, just the filter on and off. All the location details are in the description. If you want to see more NVE comparisons or have a specific location you want tested, let me know in the comments.